I don't know if we should trade shots with him or not. Look this way, make sure I don't get right. Your GoPro, because your helmet's all fucked up. Okay, make sure. They're right here. That guy's cheating.
Yeah.
The guy who looks like us. I hit him a bunch of times and he looked around. Where's shotgun, you fuck? That's close. Hey. There's lots of dudes running over towards the castle. They're right here. Oh, I hear him down there. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to back off.
Hey, is there somebody in here? Hey, you want to get cars on that?
Shit. Said bang. Oh shit, they're getting close. They know where we are now. They're gonna sneak up on us. What? Yeah. Should we just try it? Yeah. All at the same time. We're good. You get hit? What? You shot Travis? It was Kyle. Yeah, Kyle's a faggot, I'm saying.
Oh, I saw. I didn't hear the fucking.
I'm gonna poke you here. Oh shit, right. Watch out. Hey, over there, there's a dude. Enemy. There's three. Shit. Hey, get to cover. They're surrounding us. Kyle! You watching that alley?
Yo, dude, come on.
You got this, guys?
Yeah!
You Good job, guys.
You're like, clear that building. I was like, all right. I'm gonna get in there.
That was intense. That was a good game. That was fun.
You shot me, you faggot.
Yeah.
Well, you guys didn't say anything.
Well, we were running away from that
We didn't
guy.
know you were there.
All I saw was tan.
Yeah, not
A tan blob.
someone who looks almost identical to you.
Well, you guys were running.